All right, what we have here today is a 2020 Toyota Sienna. Air conditioning does not stay on. Press the button and it goes from on to off within seconds. And let's get into it. And her air conditioning just stopped working one day, I don't know, 2 or 3 days ago. It was working fine, and then she hit the button in the on the display there. It would say AC on, and then it would immediately go to AC off. And I watched a YouTube video to try to figure out how to get the air conditioning compressor off. And they kind of talk about removing this panel here. So I figured that would help get me some visibility into what was going on. I will tell you, from the top of the engine, I was able to look down and I saw something that looked interesting. So I'm going to see if I can get you where my eyeball's seen and see if you can see what I see. But I'm pretty sure what I'm looking at is the AC compressor clutch has somehow just lost its bolt. There's about 84,000 miles on this van. We've owned it since it's had 40,000 miles on it. And there's her clutch. And unless I'm mistaken, now I will admit to you, I've already had it out once before. There's a little spacer washer that goes in here, and then it goes back on, and it needs a bolt. And I don't know where the bolt is, so I gotta go to the store and get a bolt. This was a bolt that I had laying in my garage. Has the right thread pitch, but I think I need something a little bit longer, so I'm gonna go get that. And I'll bring you along for the reinstallation, and we'll see if it works. All right, so I can't hold my phone while I put a bolt in. So this is the end. You can see the bolt there in the middle, and the clutch is back on. I don't know, it cost me $1 for a bolt down at the hardware store. And we're gonna fire it up and see if the AC stays on. So just for a little context on what was going on here, on this display, you press the AC button and it would come on, and then 10 seconds, 5 seconds later, it would go straight to off, which meant there was something wrong with that circuit. Now you can see it stays on, and if I turn my fan up and I feel for it, it's cold again. So at least for me, I got lucky. Problem solved. Don't need a whole new air conditioning system. I have no idea what would have happened if I took this to a random garage. Probably would have replaced the compressor on me, recharged the system. Over $1,000, I bet. I saw somewhere online that the particular compressor for this van is $800 and some. So, lucky me. Maybe this will help somebody else. So I'm happy to report that it's all fixed. It was an 83-cent bolt and a little bit of Loctite that I had in the garage, and the air conditioning works. And I'll get back to putting her all back together here in a minute. But you know that dreaded feeling you get when the air conditioning or something major in your car stopped working, and you're thinking to yourself, all right, that's going to cost a lot of money. And sometimes the garages don't find a simple fix. I'm not faulting the garages or the mechanics. It's not a risk they should take replacing a bolt on the air conditioning clutch. In most cases, they probably should replace the air conditioning compressor. So I get the risk that the garages don't want to get themselves into, but unfortunately for some people that don't have the mechanical skill, or otherwise don't have the funds to get it solved, sometimes it is simple, and it is good enough, and you can take the risk on your own, because what's the worst that's going to happen? The bolt backs out and the clutch flies out again. So hope you all have a great day, and I hope this helps somebody else out. See ya.